Draw learning. Today we are going to draw a cupcake while we learn Spanish. We draw the cream. We draw their adorable eyes. Adorable in Spanish is adorable. Be careful, they are spelled the same but pronounced differently. We painted their eyes black. That is said, negro. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say cream in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. We use pink, that in Spanish is said, rosa. The drawing is looking very good. We draw the nuggets in different colors. Now we use light blue, which in Spanish is AZUL CLARO. Now let's go with the green color. Green in Spanish is verde. Let's see if you know the answer. Cream in Spanish is NATA. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.